Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a giant ZARA summer try-on haul, hence why we got this big box right here. So I cannot wait to share with you guys the stuff that I recently picked up from ZARA. I did an order online and then I also went in store. You guys, I had not been in store in a ZARA in so long. So yeah, I'm so excited to be filming this video for you guys. If you guys do happen to like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more like beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos from me. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, without any more rambling, let's get into the ZARA summer try-on haul. So first things first, I picked up this stunning cropped linen blazer. I'm obsessed with the tone of it. The structure of it is really nice. This is what it looks like up close. It's a really nice linen material. As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have it, but then as soon as I saw the matching bottoms, it just verified it even more. So it didn't come with it. You did have to purchase it separate, but they had these beautiful linen trousers. They're kind of like wide leg at the bottom. They're the same tone as you can see, so they're really cute worn together, but you could also wear them separately. And what I loved most about these pants is that it had that casual linen vibe to it, but since it had that nice pleating detailing up top, just kind of like dressed it up a little bit. And I also loved how wide the bottoms were. These pants are super like lightweight and breathable, so they still will be perfect to wear in the summertime. All right, so this is the first matching set that we have right here. I am so obsessed. I love the fit of this cropped blazer, and you could definitely wear it open with like a little bandeau or tank top underneath, or you can kind of have it like this. It does come down pretty low though. And these pants are so cute. I love the way that they fit. They could definitely use a good little steam. Could definitely use a good hemming on them. They come down pretty low. Oh my gosh, I definitely want to wear this set somewhere. I don't know where. Alright, so as you can see, I have them styled here with my Reboks. With the sneakers, I'd probably wear this blazer open with a bandeau underneath. And the pants I got in a size extra small. These were $49. Bottoms I feel like can make or break an outfit, and I knew that there was going to be tons of ways that I'd want to style it. And then the crop blazer was $49 as well, which is a little bit pricey for blazers. I know that I can wear them with a ton of different outfits, and you can't go wrong with investing in a good blazer. Next up, I have this really pretty top I got from the ZARA Basics line. This one I got in a size small and it was $12.90. Lately I've been obsessed with anything with like a kind of crisscross detailing, and also I've just been super obsessed with fun bright colors like this. This is definitely a top that you can dress up or down, but I feel like any type of top with that crisscross detailing always looks so flattering, just like peekaboo blazer or even like a denim jacket or a linen top. All right, and then this is how that same top looks like on with just a pair of these denim shorts from Abercrombie. I love these shorts. These are off topic, but they come down to a really nice length. They don't show your butt. They are super stretchy and comfortable, so I just love the way the top and this denim look paired together. And then with the blazer, it just kind of gives you a little bit more like structured, put together look while still being super casual. And again, I have them paired with the same Reboks. I have been obsessed with these sneakers lately. I just find that they go with so many outfits. Next up, we have this breathtaking kind of like corally red soft satin dress. Guys, the neckline on this is stunning. The color is stunning. As soon as I saw this in store, I like gravitated toward it and I knew that I had to have it. I just figured there'd be so many ways to style this. I could dress it up or down. Not to mention the quality of it feels really nice. It's a nice like thicker satin material, so it just like sits on the body really nice and doesn't settle in any of those areas that you don't want it to settle in. I think this is supposed to be more of like a midi dress. On me though, it fits me a little bit more like a maxi dress, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on. All right, moving on, we have this stunning, it's kind of like an orangey red satin dress. This is just absolutely stunning. It could definitely use a good steam. I am just so impressed with this dress. For one, the quality is amazing. I like that it's a nice thicker satin feel, so it's not like clinging to any patches or areas on my body like a lot of like silk or satin textures tend to do. And it has adjustable straps, which I really like. I just think that this dress would look so beautiful dressed up or down. Right now I have them paired with these clear ZARA heels. You can kind of do an in-between dressy moment with like a cork heel or a wedge, and then you could totally dress this down with some sneakers and like a jean jacket or a blazer. I am just so obsessed with this dress, and I feel like it actually looks really good on me, and I normally hate the way dresses look on me. I've never been a dress person, but this one is stunning. So ZARA is known for their blazers. However, I have yet to purchase a ZARA blazer until now, and now I just want to get a million more because I'm just obsessed with the fit of this one. I got this stunning creamy white blazer. It has a nice like kind of cuff sleeve detailing here with gold hardware, which I am obsessed with. The structure of this blazer just sits beautiful on, and it gives you that like nice structured but still relaxed fit to it. The quality of the blazer is also really nice, but it's still lightweight, so it's perfect to wear in the summertime. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with the fit, how it tapers. It looks so expensive, but it was $69, but I'm telling you, it looks like a $200 blazer. Like, I got mine in a size small, and I find that it fits really well. This is the first ZARA blazer that I have ever owned, and now I know why people say that they're obsessed with ZARA blazers. Just the structure of it and the material of it I find super flattering, and I just love the way it looks paired with this dress, kind of like as a dress down / dressed up moment. Alright, you guys, and I had to give you a full-on outfit because I just know I'm gonna be wearing this outfit so much this summer. And this is the blazer paired with just a simple bandeau top, nothing special. You can get these at like Walmart for super cheap. Little sweat shorts from H&M. I've been obsessed with their sweat shorts. But I love the way the super casual, just like basic top and bottom look paired with this blazer. Like, I'm telling you, the fit and the cut of this blazer makes the most chill outfit look so dressed up and make it look like you're trying when really all you did was throw a blazer on top. And I also paired it with this Bottega Veneta dupe bag from Amazon. I've been obsessed with it. And then my Amazon sunglasses. I got my superegas. These are super dirty. They can use a good clean, but you guys get the idea of this outfit. Tell me that is not just so cute. And like, you know what you're doing in life, even if you don't. Next up, I picked up this stunning pink linen top. It's very oversized. The reason I got this is because, for one, I've just been so into linen tops, just throwing over like shorts and a tank top. It's like the perfect way to just add another element to your outfit. But I've also been obsessed with pink. So when I saw pink and linen together, I was like, this is perfect for my style right now. I got mine in a size small. It comes down so long. You guys will see in the next clip, like, this legit looks like a dress. But I figured I could also use this as like a beach cover up, just like throw this over a bathing suit by itself with some sandals. That would be really cute. I could also put like a slip underneath of this and wear it as a t-shirt dress. The color of this pink though is just stunning, especially with a good tan. And this was $39. All right, and then this is how that oversized shirt looks like on. I have it paired over that same casual set, but I think that this looks really nice. It's a fun pop of color to just like a simple outfit like this. I also got this to just wear with like either a simple bandeau top and some jean shorts, or a tank top and jean shorts. So long, like it legit looks like I'm wearing a dress in the back, shorts in the front. All right, and then this is how the top looks with just like a white bandeau top, some jean shorts, and then the superegas. I do really love this outfit. I just think it's so bright and summery. Even with just a white tank top underneath, I think that would be super cute. And I feel like this is like a perfect summer barbecue, kind of like hangout, chill outfit where you look cute, you're comfy, but stylish. Moving on, I have this really cute cropped racer tank. I love the scallop detailing along the edges here and on the neckline. I also find the neckline on this super flattering, and I honestly got this just because I wanted a cute, basic, kind of like white tank to wear underneath of blazers, linen tops, throw on with jean shorts, throw on with denim, and I wanted it to be a little bit elevated than just like a basic white tank, and this is perfect. Super cute, so many ways to style it. This one I got in a size small and it was $17.90. All right, and then this is how the white top looks like on. I just think this is such a pretty basic to style in the summer, but I kind of like fun basic because you have the little detailing here, you have the rib detailing, and the neckline is super flattering too. So you could obviously just wear this super simple with a pair of shorts, but I also think that this top would look so cute paired with those linen wide leg pants that I had on earlier. Also, this would look cute with like just that crop blazer thrown on over top or that pink tunic. I'll show you guys how all of those options look together just like really quick without talking. Moving on, this is like one of my favorite tops in the haul. It is this stunning, kind of like a towel material top. The color of it though is beautiful, and I love the button detailing. It has a really nice tortoise shell detailing along here. I've also been really obsessed with collar tops, but this one in particular is so flattering because the collar detailing comes all the way down to the shoulder and it just fits so beautiful. Quality of this top is amazing. It's a nice thicker material. It is a little bit too warm to be wearing this out right now, but on like a colder, rainy day, I feel like this would be perfect. This is also a great top that I feel like I could segue into the fall time, and I just think it's so stunning. This one I got in a size extra small, and then this is how that delicious top looks like on. I'm just so obsessed with like the cut and the fit of it. Material is stunning. This is definitely more of a springtime top. I don't know if I'll be able to get much wear out of it anymore. So right now I just have it paired with some shorts and then my superegas and this bag that I thrifted. I think it looks so cute together. You could also dress it up a little bit more with some like heeled sandals. I'll show you guys how that looks as well. So this is how they look paired with my slightly heeled Target sandals. Even if you're spending a summer day indoors, just like shopping, cute. Love it. All right, and last but not least, I told you guys I've been really into pinks and pops of colors lately. So we have this really nice cropped satin top. It has an open kind of like tie detailing in the back. It definitely use a good steam. So fun for the summertime. I'd probably pair this top with either the linen pants, I'd pair it with denim shorts or jeans. There's so many ways that you could dress this top up or down because the texture is kind of dressy, but the cut of it is still really casual, which is what I really like. And this top I got in a size, I'm like kind of confused on why I spent this much on some of these items. So this top was a size extra small and it was $29. I don't know why I bought it for that much. I swore that these were all a lot more affordable, but it's still cute. Right, and then last but not least, we have this stunning kind of like bubblegum pink satin top. Again, it could use a good steam. Now, let's just take a second to admire the back of this top. It's all open back with like this crisscross. I also really love how you're able to really cinch in the bottom of the top with the tie strings here. And this bubblegum like satin pink paired with the linen pants, I feel like just goes so cute together. You can even throw that blazer on over top, and I feel like that would be so cute. This top would also look amazing just paired with some simple denim. Oh my gosh. Can we look at this outfit? So I paired that same top with a pair of these linen pink shorts that I got from Cotton On. These have been like my favorite recently. Together, I think it would look so cute with that same blazer that was showing you guys earlier. I just feel like it's such a fun summer outfit. This is just such a fun outfit. I think this is perfect for like brunch of any kind, or any sort of even evening summer occasion. And then this is that same outfit without the blazer. So cute, so fun. They're the same undertone of pink without matching exactly, which is why I still feel like they go together really nice. And then again, just love the back. Fine, there's like a really loud noise outside. How rude that they decide to do yard work when I'm filming. Everybody should know my filming schedule. Anyways, this is how the top looks paired with just my oversized 90s jeans from Abercrombie. And then I just paired them with the same Reboks that I had on earlier. And I think that this is such a fun, just like cute outfit. Alright you guys, and that wraps it up for my Zara haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys got inspiration from some of the outfits that I put together. With all of my hauls, it's not necessarily for you to go out and buy each item. It's more just for you to get inspiration, shop your collection, see what you have similar, and you can kind of like pair and put together outfits like that. I also have this amazing idea of doing kind of like a Zara haul where I'm adding things to my Zara cart, but instead of purchasing it from Zara, I go thrifting and I try to find very similar pieces that Zara carries at the thrift store for such an affordable price. I feel like Zara has a very classic look that you could definitely find at a thrift store and get the same quality, if not better, but for a way more affordable price. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you all. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!